this. A Texas couple gets a very sweet and very fitting treat on their wedding day, all thanks to Dairy Queen. This is the new Mr. and Mrs. Blizzard. Can you even begin to guess where this is going? So the two, ironically, are Dairy Queen fans. And when one of them took to TikTok, Dairy Queen delivered, not just with ice cream, but with merch and a photo shoot to match. Their last name is truly Blizzard. And Bradley and Olivia Blizzard are here with us now. Good morning, guys. First off, congratulations. How is married life treating you up to this point?
So far, so good. Yeah, good morning.
Good morning to you. We saw your story. We had to have you on. I mean, Bradley, your last name truly is Blizzard. This isn't a stunt.
No, this is not a stunt. No, it's been Blizzard, and my mom always used to take us to Dairy Queen to try to get my 7 siblings and I free Dairy Queen, and it finally happened here.
Yeah, and it worked. Did you ever imagine in your wildest dreams that it would land you the girl of your dreams, or become the story that it's become?
No, not at all. I know Olivia is fantastic on social media, so when she took to TikTok, I kind of thought that maybe it might blow up a little bit, and Dairy Queen might want to step in because it is a great PR opportunity for them. But to this magnitude, no way.
No way. Yeah, Olivia, take us back to you getting on TikTok, right? You take to social media when you're engaged and you say, okay, somebody from Dairy Queen got to help us out with some swag here. Did you ever think that they would actually respond?
Honestly, no. I thought it was a long shot. I tagged Dairy Queen and Dairy Queen Texas, which I think definitely helped me out because it was Dairy Queen Texas that responded. But I did not think to this magnitude. I was hoping maybe I said like a Blizzard bar. So they've gone above and beyond what I even could imagine. So. And
then the photos that we're playing right here on the screen, those are your engagement photo shoot. They let you get in a Dairy Queen and actually pose with food. What else did they provide?
Yeah, they actually thought of that. They provided the jean jacket I'm wearing that says Mrs. Blizzard, has our wedding date on it. This was completely their idea. I did not pitch this. It was their brilliant marketing. And then they also, obviously, we got to enjoy a lot of food and blizzards. And then along with that, besides the photo shoot, they provided merch for our bachelor and bachelorette parties that we did too.
Yeah.
So that was
and then they showed up at the wedding, right? Like the doors opened and somebody was there and guests were treated to trays of blizzards. I mean, this is crazy.
Yeah, so it was actually one of the franchise owners that we worked with who showed up. The doors swing open and he's holding a big Dairy Queen custom cooler that they made for us. And then out come the blizzards. And all of our guests kind of suspected something. They thought maybe Dairy Queen might show up with something, but to be holding trays of blizzards, that was a real treat for everyone.
Well, it makes for the best story, the best pictures too. Real quickly before I let you go, each of you, what's your favorite blizzard flavor in order?
Oh, Oreo.
Reese's.
Yeah, I'm an Oreo girl through and through as well. Bradley and Olivia Blizzard, thank you so much for taking the time this morning, and congratulations. We're so happy for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.